Howdy, folks. Y'all having a good time?
Of course they're having a good time.
See, this is a Wonderland place.
No, Tony. This is a Wonderland, the Pier.
And a Wonderland placer, too.
That's right. Right on. And folks, here's a song about another place that's a different kind of Wonderland.
Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River. Life is old there, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, growing like a breeze. Country roads take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country roads. Gather round her, miner's lady, stranger to blue water. Dark and dusty, painted on the sky, misty taste of moonshine, teardrops in my eyes. Country roads take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country roads. I hear a voice in the morning as she calls me. Radio reminds me of my home far away. Driving down the road, I get a feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Yesterday. Country roads take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country roads, just take me home down country road.
Good going there, Rocky.
Gee, thanks, Bubba. But every time I sing that song, I sure do get homesick.
There's no place like a home. Arriva da Chiroma.
Don't miss going up on that giant wheel. What a view!
Ciao, we'll be a seeing you.